Namaste friends. Today will discuss about electromagnetic radiations. As we know, we are right now living in the very fast internet era. Technological, very advanced time is here right now with us. We all are using the gadgets like cell phone, laptop, computer, and television, and everybody knows that it generates lots of electromagnetic radiations. Now these electromagnetic radiations, these are very harmful to our body, to our mind, to our brain. Everybody knows that this electromagnetic radiations has the side effects on our brain. It can change the calibrations of the chemical of our brain, and that can produce a lots of disease or like cancer like disease like brain tumor or epilepsy or lots of problems that have been generated with this electromagnetic radiations. So friends, I would like to tell you that if we can control the use of this uh, cell phone or laptop or television, that definitely help us. What happens when we are using these gadgets often, we are spending maximum time on it, and it will increase the rajogun. It's a kind of agitation in our mind, and that will create lots of mental disorders too. So we need to ideally has to decrease the level of uses of cell phone, laptop, and television. Right now lockdown is going on. We all the people are using maximum cell phone, laptop, and television, and that creates a lots of tamsikness in our mind. Tamsik means lots of agitation in our mind, angriness, because all the time we are using these gadgets, and all the time there are lots of negative news or negative things are coming up, right? So what we can do, we can gradually decrease the uses of cell phone, television, and laptop. If you are doing some business or online work or online job, then you need to at least spend minimum time. Gradually you can decrease your time spending on these gadgets. What you can do, you can do a lots of meditation, pranayam, Brahmari pranayam, Anulom Vilom pranayam. That will definitely reduce your mental stress, and that will help you to increase your satvikness, the blissfulness, the blissful thoughts of your mind. And by increasing the blissful thoughts on your mind, you will definitely be happy, because we all want happiness. If we use this gadget, it will disturb our mind, it will increase the rajogun, means it's a kind of agitated thoughts in our mind, and that's going to be disturb our mind, and we have lots of psychological problems. So if we go for meditation, we can go for pranayam, we can go for sattvic food, that is blissful food, hygienic food, good food, that definitely reduce the agitation of your mind. It will increase the blissful thoughts in our mind, and also we can spend maximum time with the family, laughing. We can do a lots of laughing with our family members. Laughing is the best medicine. After all, we all want happiness, and from where happiness is coming? Happiness, when our mind is calm and cool and relaxed, happiness is there. If our mind is disturbed, there's lots of stress, lots of angers, lots of unhappiness are there. So we need to do daily meditation, pranayam, spend time with your family, and gradually reduce the uses of your cell phone, laptop, and television. If you want to use this gadget, then try to avoid at least some negative things. If negative news are coming up, avoid to listen that kinds of negative thoughts, negative news, or negative incidents, and try to listen some meditative music, or that gives calmness to your mind. You can go for chanting, you can listen some chanting. All the people across the globe, they want to listen right now, not in India, but lots of my followers, they are doing chanting, they are doing meditation, they are using meditative music on the laptop and cell phone. So you can spend maximum time to listen these kinds of blissful music, meditative music, some good music that will give you calmness to your mind, and by that way you can remain a very blissful and in very happy condition. After all, we all want happiness in our life. So friends, try to avoid maximum uses of your cell phone, laptop and television. Go ahead with meditation, pranayam and blissful thoughts and sattvic diet and sattvic lifestyle. That definitely will help you not in this condition but in future also. It's going to be very useful for your healthy and happy life. Thank you. Namaste.